Hey guys, welcome to Car City Inc. Just want to introduce you another beautiful new arrival from Japan at our dealership. 1998 Toyota Land Cruiser, four-wheel drive, beautiful looking SUV in a great shape. It's got 87,000 miles or 140,000 kilometers. Pearl white exterior over beige cloth interior. Very nice and clean unit in a great shape. Rust free. It just arrived from Japan, from our partners in Japan. Rear spoiler, tinted windows, spare tire. Very nice and clean body in a great shape with the running boards, roof rack. Very nice and clean. Low miles, guys, it's 98. 87,000 miles on this beautiful unit. Look at this beautiful body. It looks great. Super nice and clean all around. Alloy wheels. Let me go ahead and start it, and we're gonna take a look at the interior. It's got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Beautiful factory wood trim. Cloth interior. Nice and clean, in a good shape. Wooden and leather steering wheel. It's got aftermarket navigation with the DVD player, automatic transmission, rear climate control. Let's go ahead and start it. It's been taken care of maintenance wise. I'll show you, there is a sticker for the timing belt and water pump. Let's go ahead and start it. Here you go. Let me turn on the lights here. So we have 140,000 kilometers, which is 87,000 miles. No warning lights on the dash. It's got a Bluetooth connected with the aftermarket radio. Just click it. So it's got navigation there. aux, AM, FM, automatic transmission with a four-wheel drive, rear climate control, as I said, everything works in it. Nice seats, clean headliner, no issues, no problems. Let's take a peek here at the second row seating. The second row seating in a great shape as well. Got this beautiful running board. Got some lights there. And let me I'm sorry, go ahead and open the trunk for you so we can take a peek on the third row seating. There you go, a removable third row seating. Nice and clean all around. And the very important thing, guys, it's got a very nice frame. Let me just open up the hood so we can take a peek under the hood. Well kept, well maintained, four-wheel drive, 4.7 liter engine with a V8. Nice and clean, there is no rust there. Maintenance records. The timing belt. Nice and clean. Engine works perfectly fine, it shifts great, I drove it myself. Very nice unit. And let me go ahead and show you undercarriage, guys. Nice and clean. So guys, if you have any questions or would like to schedule time to test drive this beautiful right-hand drive 1998 Toyota Land Cruiser, please feel free to give us a call. 847-496-4250. Check our website carcitychicago.com for the beautiful inventory what we have. And for the Japanese inventory, please click on JDM Inventory Special on our website, so you'll find all these beautiful Toyotas, Mitsubishis, Nissans, and so on and so on, what we have imported from Japan. Again, it's completely legal to drive this vehicle in the United States. And when you guys gonna purchase it, you're gonna get an Illinois title from us. So you can register it with no problem, drive it with no problem. So, or if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to give us a call at 847-496-4250. That is our phone number. Website, carcitychicago.com. Financing is available as well. So please give us a call and take this beautiful Land Rover for a test drive. You're not going to be disappointed. It's a very, very nice and clean unit. So we're going to get more cars coming from Japan. And check us out right now. We have about 10, maybe 15 cars from Japan. So definitely check us out. They're all with super low miles. They're all very well kept and maintained over there. You have to do maintenance there. You cannot drive it without doing maintenance. So it's very, very strictly over there in Japan. So that's why these vehicles are in a great, great shape. Any questions, again, call us 847-496-4250. Thank you so much for watching this video. You guys have a beautiful day.